How is everybody doing today? Today is a very special day because my G8 is home finally. I know it's crazy. It's been like 6 months now, I think, just about, since it went to Vanderbilt and had a whole bunch of stuff done to it. And now it's home finally. Everything's finished, tidied up, and I am just gonna go ahead and do a quick walk around because you guys got to see this thing. I mean, I didn't change anything visually, but under the hood is insane. Here you go. So yeah, there it is. Honestly, I'm very impressed with just everything overall. It turned out really nice. There were a few custom things that had to be done in order to get this turbo kit to work. But overall, like it drives great, runs great, and I love it. So I'm gonna kind of just go over a few different things that were done. And rocket just went by. Yeah, I'm just gonna go over kind of all the little things that were done, kind of give you guys an idea. So first of all, obviously, you have a giant turbo under the hood. This is an 88 96 millimeter T4 turbo, and it is huge. This is from my friend's 30th anniversary Trans Am that made 1118 wheel horsepower before he upgraded. So I got his turbo. Got his turbo guard. And right here, this is just a 4-inch dump. Like that is the whole exhaust right there. It just goes straight down to the ground. It's crazy. We have just regular truck spark plug wires on there. You need longer ones to fit around the turbo headers here. And then we've got a VS Racing wastegate, an aftermarket blow-off valve right here, and a lot of custom piping done by my friend Juan Fernandez. And then back here we have the massive Thrasher Performance intercooler. That thing does very good work at keeping the intake temps down. So yeah, we had to like make a heat shield right here for the power steering lines because, you know, it's so close to the headers here. We put a little blanket over this coil pack because it's literally right next to the header here. It's kind of crammed over here. Made a little bracket to move this coil pack off to the side so it wasn't hitting the header here. And yeah, there's some custom stuff that needed to be done, but it looks and works very well. So yeah, I am happy with this. The one thing that I will say is that the fuel system is not good enough. Like, I was wanting to run like 12 to 13 PSI, and that's not gonna happen. Like, it's maxed out on 9 PSI right now, and even in 4th gear, it draws down the injector cycle duty to like 80%, so it leans out hard, and that's only at 9 pounds. So right now it's making like 600 wheel horsepower, and but it still pulls pretty hard, and it's gonna be reliable. I'm not gonna beat on it a lot. Like, this is quite a bit of power, and it's a street car. But once I upgrade the fuel system, then I'm gonna turn it up to 12 to 13 pounds. It should be a little over 700 wheel, but it should be fine. So right now it's just on safe mode basically, but it's fine. I'll still have fun with it. It's a street car, full interior. It doesn't need to have a crazy amount of power. I still want to drive it, obviously, so there she is. Freaking love this. It sounds crazy. Okay, so that is pretty much everything that I could really cover about the G8. Um, yeah, so it's it's maxed out at 9 psi right now. I need to redo the whole fuel system, but once I do that, we should be able to turn it up to 700 wheel horsepower pretty easily. This thing, I mean, this car has a lot of potential. Like we're barely tapping into the boost, and it's making like 600 wheel. So yeah, we can make more power. It's just my fuel system currently cannot keep up with any more than that. So that is going to be next. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be racing it until I actually get that sorted out, because in fourth gear, it's running super, super lean. So I don't want to break anything. It's been good to me so far, but I just don't want to break anything else. So that's going to be next. But yeah, this coming weekend is the Eddie Cochran car show in Albert Lea, and that's going to be the very first car show that I actually have my G8 at this year. So that's pretty exciting. Friday night is it's like a casual cruise in, like a show and shine type of thing. But Saturday is the actual car show, and that is freaking huge. Like every year they get over 250 cars, and it's just little downtown Albert Lea. So I'm really looking forward to that, because I know a lot of people in this area, and it'd be a good show for me to finally like debut my new setup in the G8. So looking forward to that. So I hope you all enjoyed, and keep updated on my videos by hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be able to see whenever I make changes on my car or updates on anything else I got going on with my toys, basically. So I want to thank you guys for checking out the video, and hope you all have an awesome day. See you later.